fuck? It's not how you go down a waterfall. I can swim up waterfalls? Why would I think that I could swim up waterfalls? Why would that be an initial thought? Why would I think to myself that that's something that Sora could do? Is fucking salmon swim up the goddamn waterfall! I'm like horrified. You cannot? I've never tried because I guess I just never thought that I could. Which is why, like, I feel like I miss my, my childhood because I feel like I was just naturally more, like I challenged games more. I was able to figure out more stuff. But now I'm applying logic too hard. And I'm like, nah, that's not how it works.